Hello guys, what's up? So today we have practiced pivot table help of ChatGPT. Okay. So I asked ChatGPT for a practice data set and also some practice tasks. Okay. So this is our practice data set and this is our some practice question. Okay. So let's go to the Excel sheet. Okay. This is our uh, practice sample data. Okay, and so let's start. So I so those who don't know how to uh, create a pivot table, first of all, select the entire table. Okay, then go to insert tab and click the pivot table. Okay, after that it's showing a pop-up message. This is our table range, and the next step is choose worksheet. You want a new worksheet or existing worksheet. Okay, so we basically work on new worksheet. When you click new worksheet, I have already created. Then a new worksheet was created. Okay, just like this, just like this. Okay, so okay, I saw you a new pivot table. Okay, don't worry. I just delete. Just select the whole table. Go to insert. Click the pivot table. New worksheet. Okay, yeah, got it. As you see, here is the our all feature. Okay, and those are the main fields and how we use those fields. I show you the sometime. We need copy and paste. Yeah. So first of all, I tell you what is pivot table. Pivot table basically is a summarization tool in Excel. We use pivot table calculate our mathematical expression and find out the pattern of data. Basically, when we have large of data, like billions of data, this time we use pivot table for analyze. Okay, so let's start. Just a minute. Yeah. So what is our first question? So first question is total sale by region. Okay, total sale by region. What is the sale? Total sale. As you see, here are total sale and this is the region. So we okay. So total sale by region. So total sale and by region. Okay. Now one question why I use a values field for uh, total sale. Um, Remember one thing in pivot table, whenever we uh, doing any mathematical expression or calculation, we always use value field. Okay, is the sign of mathematical expression. Okay. And if I show my data row wise, if I want to region row wise, so we choose row. If I choose column, then it's showing the column wise, east, north, south, west, and it is the grand total. But row is best for, actually it's user friendly and looking good. Okay, so first question's done. Yeah, the total sale. So what is our next question? Units sold by product. Units sold by product. Okay, units sold. I remove the sum of units sold by product. As you see, it's automatically choose the uh, field. Okay, so basically, what is the question? Units sold based on what product? See, chair, uh, 10 unit chair was sold. 5 decks were sold, 20 notebook and 130 pen. See, pen 15 and 80 plus 15 130. Notebook 20, chair 10 and decks 5. So basically, it's a sample data and it's small data. That's why we figure it out very easily. But when you have lots of data, a lakh of lakh, thousand of thousand, billions of billions data, that time we, I mean, pivot table is very useful for us. Okay, so second question also done. Then sell by salesperson and region. So this time we want to show sale by salesperson and region both. Okay, so where is our sale? Total sale for what? Salesperson and region. Okay, so region first, then salesperson and total sale. Yeah. See, so total sale from each region it 1750, and who is the salesperson? Is a two of salesperson. One is 250 and one of 1500. So FB and Alice. Alice. We from north Carl, south Alice and west Bob 300. That's why we figure out the sale percent is twice and their total sale. Okay, category wise monthly sale. Okay, so monthly sale already I remove those sale person and so third month of 2005 sale 250, fifth month of 25 300. It's showing the result based on data. Okay, so 1 3 2250. Yeah. Now, what uh, Now, now the next question is top three product by revenue using filter. Okay, so we uncheck. So what you want? Top three product by revenue. So revenue is our total sale for what by three product. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. So if I change the value, formatting small large level filter, value filter. Okay, it's large to small. Okay, for large to small now, where is the someone no need to someone remove the field count also the field and for what three products. No, sorry, don't want count. It's so the product of what is this? No, this way. Okay, see, yeah, done. As you see, so the top uh, three. As you see, this is the total. Okay, what is the next question? Average unit price by category. Average unit price by category. Okay, category unit price. Okay, no problem. Now it's showing the sum of unit price. We just change the data. See, is the average. Okay, so stationery and furniture. Stationery have three total unit price, average of unit price. So 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 5, so 30. So average, sorry, 25. 20 plus 25. 25 by 3, it's 8.99. It's okay. And also furniture, 420 by 2 is 210. Yeah, it's okay. Now, contribute of each region of total sale. Okay, and so value is grand total. Okay, no problem. So first of all, we need to showing the total sale by region by total sale. This is the total sale now percentage wise. So just change the so value as percent of grand total. Okay, yeah. So East 47.95% from grand total, North 32, South 10, and West 8. West is very low. West. So West have only Bob salesperson. The unit sold 20 at price 15 and total sale 30, 300. If I, that is okay. So we cover all of question. So today's that's it. Okay. Bye bye, guys.